Here are some of my all-time Notion feature requests as of right now. This is as much a love letter to Notion as it is some big productivity and sort of philosophical feature requests as well. So the first one is I'd really love the ability when I'm entering data into a database, like a new CRM, let's say. I got Tim coming in here, his phone number. And then I just met Tim, so I'm being introduced to his organization. So most likely I don't have his organization in here yet. But his organization also needs its properties set. So I'd love to be able to, when I enter in a related page, whether it's new or existing, like already connected, like maybe a hover over or some sort of hover over where there's a modal menu that pops up with this page's properties that are quickly editable. Maybe just the top 5 or whatever, and you can scroll for more of them. So that's one of the feature requests I'd love to have. But maybe more impactful would be a feature, and this could apply to any software. Any software developer could do this, and it would probably sort of revolutionize the development process. Could you let users, using the built-in AI, vibe code feature request prompts that the AI could then apply in the same style and format as the rest of Notion in code, but just operate as a layer, a siloed layer for the user operating on top of the official release code. So I have this feature request of being able to edit properties to linked pages quickly. I could vibe code that here, and the AI could build it for me, and I could test it out. And if it works great, I could then just make a screen recording and send it to you as a feature request. Or perhaps even better, if I like it, I could tell AI to sort of package it and post it to a public forum where others could try it out too. Then those that gain the modifications that gain the most popularity, Notion or any software developer could then just have a proof of concept and know how to prioritize future features. So I would love it if you implemented that, and if you want to patent it, all the more power to you. If you make a lot of money on it, think of me. Maybe share some of it. I vibe code with base 44, and I've always wanted to use my published app as a user with a quick, AI button down in the bottom right or something, where I could, in context as I go, prompt features to try out layered upon my published version of my app. So again, anyone could do it. All right, my third feature request and final is for a new block type. I want to be able to type /carousel, if I could, I don't even know how to spell it, or /slider or slides or something, and get a carousel or a slider that would look and be something like this, where, it's a container block, just like a toggle or like a synced block or a quote, all that stuff, container block, but it contains multiple sort of pages represented by these dots where you can put any sort of block type in there. So like maybe one's an image. Maybe it's dinner. Maybe it's image and text, formatted, and these become slides that you can slide through, basically. Maybe it's like 2 columns or 3 columns max in here. I don't know. Maybe it's endless height. I don't know. But that would be awesome. And then if this whole slider block could be also contained within like a synced block, that would be epic too. All right. Thank you very much. Those are my feature requests.